Is your Spectrum cable box constantly shutting off? It's a common problem with a few key culprits: power save mode, sleep mode, and overheating due to poor ventilation. Spectrum cable boxes, from manufacturers like Aris and Cisco, have energy saving features that can sometimes activate unintentionally, causing the box to shut down after a period of inactivity, typically 1 to 4 hours. Sleep mode is similar but more aggressive, putting the box into a low power state where it appears off but can be woken by remote or activity. Boxes generate heat during operation, and poor airflow can cause overheating, prompting the device to shut down as a safety measure. Outdated firmware or even power supply issues can also contribute to this problem. Recent data shows that many user issues can be due to ventilation or power-saving settings. Let's troubleshoot these issues one by one. First, disable power save and sleep modes. Go to your Spectrum box's settings by pressing Menu, then Settings, then Power. Ensure both power saver and sleep mode are turned off. Next, check the ventilation. Make sure the box has at least 6 inches of clear space around all sides, especially the vents. Dust accumulation can cause overheating, so clean the vents regularly. If those don't work, try these additional steps. Check all cable connections, including HDMI and power cord, ensuring they are secure. Perform a reset by holding down the power button for 10 seconds. Lastly, update your box's firmware through the Spectrum app or website. According to Spectrum's internal data, many users resolve the issue through simple troubleshooting steps, highlighting that about 80% of users find a fix within the first troubleshooting session.